If you're seeing a Monday.com error when trying to upload a file, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This kind of issue is often caused by a temporary page glitch, a slow internet connection, or a file that's too large or not supported by the Files column. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot it step by step, so you can get back to work without wasting time. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Monday.com tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is refresh the page. Sometimes Monday.com just needs a quick reload to clear a temporary loading issue, especially if the upload button is not responding or the error message appears unexpectedly. After refreshing, try the upload again and see if the issue is gone. If it still isn't working, the next step is to check your internet speed. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt file uploads and trigger errors in Monday.com. Open your browser and search for a speed test. Then run the test and see whether your upload and download speeds are stable enough for file transfers. If your connection is slow, try switching networks, restarting your router, or waiting until your internet is more stable before trying again. If the page is refreshed and your internet looks fine, the next thing to check is the file itself and the file limits in Monday.com. Go into Monday.com and open the board where you're trying to upload the file. Then look at the Files column, because this is where Monday.com may have restrictions depending on the file size or type. Make sure the file you're uploading is supported by that column and that it doesn't exceed the allowed size. If the file is too large, try compressing it first. If the file type is unsupported, convert it to a compatible format and upload it again. These 3 steps solve most file upload issues in Monday.com. Refresh the page, test your internet speed, and check the file limits and supported file type. In many cases, one of those will immediately fix the problem. If you're still having trouble, it can also help to try uploading a different file to see whether the issue is with one specific file or with the board itself. That can narrow down the cause much faster. And once everything is working again, you should be able to upload files normally without seeing that error message. If this tutorial helped you fix your Monday.com file upload issue, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.